Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Mains General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. After the creation of two new provinces of Sindh and Odisha through the Government of Indian Act 1935, the total number of provinces in British India became 10, or it is 11 or 12 or 13. We need to find that. So among these four given options, we need to find the right answer. And here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to give a small description about it. So let's get into the answer. There were total 11 provinces in British under Government of India 1935. These 11 provinces were Madras, Central Provinces, Bihar, Orissa, United Provinces, Bombay Presidency, Assam, NWFP, Bengal, Punjab, and Sindh. Okay, therefore option 2 is the right answer. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all. Thank you very much.